I took delivery of my BYD Sealion 7 3 weeks ago. Like many other BYD owners, I've been frustrated with
and the all-seeing driver monitoring system that,
at the slightest sign of tiredness, it tells you to take a break, get some rest, or the lane departure warning system that tugs at the steering wheel, and the cross-traffic braking feature that can be unnerving or prevent you actually pulling out into traffic. So in this video I'm going to show you how in a few seconds you can stop the annoying bleeps and disable features such as lane departure warning and cross-traffic braking.
select the car icon, select ADAS, select safety assist, disable emergency lane keeping, scroll, disable lane departure assist, scroll, disable front cross traffic brake, scroll, disable intelligent speed attention, select vehicle, scroll to the right, select cabin perception, disable driver monitoring system.
With practice, it only takes about 10 seconds to complete these simple steps. However, here it is again in slow motion. Once you've completed these simple steps, you will see the following icons on your dashboard. There is, of course, a catch. You need to get into the routine of doing these simple steps each and every time you power up the car. This is because, unlike the seats, there's no memory function for the key settings that individual drivers set. At least not for now.
Still I am sure that the answer's gonna come somehow. Tell me why, why can't my dream come true?
Really appreciate you watching the video. I hope you found it useful. If so, please hit like, please subscribe, and keep an eye out for my next videos on my BYD journey.